Hazrat Bara bin Azib radiyallahu anhu says, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam sent a party of the Ansar to kill Abu Rafi'u. One of them entered his fort. He narrates, I entered their stable, then they shut the door of the fort. Thereafter, they found that one of their asses had lost, so they went out in search of it. So I also joined them and gave them the impression as if I were their fellow in search of the ass. So they found the donkey and came inside, and I also entered. They shut the gate of the fort as it was evening, and placed the keys in a niche, which I had seen. When they had went to sleep, I took the keys and opened the gate of the fort. Afterwards, I reached near him and called, O Abu Rafi'u. When he replied, I rushed towards the voice and struck him hard. When he yielded, I went out and again entered as if I were to help him. And changing the voice, I said, O Abu Rafi'u, woe be to your mother. What is wrong with you? I asked. How are you? He replied, I do not know who has come inside and hit me hard. He narrates, I put my sword point and exert so much burden on it that his bone broke. Then I came out but was in terror. I then reached near the stairs so as to go down by means of them, but I fell down and injured my foot. I thereafter rejoined my companions and said to them, I would not go until I heard the cry of the mourning women. So he did not depart until he heard the mount over Abu Rafi'u, the trader of Hijaz. He narrates, I then got up, but I did not feel any pain till we reached the Prophet ﷺ and told him what had happened. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3022.